Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to play a video automatically in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation where you want to add the video. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. On the far right, click Video and choose your source. For this tutorial, select Stock Videos to browse built-in video options. Once you find the video you want, click Insert. The video will appear on your slide, and you can resize or reposition it as needed. To make the video play automatically, click on the video, go to the Playback tab, and select Start Automatically. Now, your video will play as soon as the slide appears during your presentation. And that's it. Your PowerPoint presentation now has a video that plays automatically, making your slides more engaging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.